time I make shrimp lo mein, it disappears within minutes. It's delicious, easy, and perfect for a holiday feast. Ready in 15 minutes.
Chinese people always eat noodles during holidays. What is the reason behind it? Stay tuned and find out more about it.
Let's season the shrimp. Add the deveined shrimp. Season it with salt and white pepper. Mix well. In a bowl, mix together the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and water. Whisk. The most commonly asked question is where to buy lo mein noodles. They're available in most Chinese supermarkets, but you could always replace them with other types of noodles or pasta. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Place the lo mein noodles inside and cook for about 2 minutes until al dente. Avoid overcooking the lo mein. They will become mushy when we stir frying it. Add the lo mein in cold water to stop cooking. Yep, this step is pretty important. Drain.
Here's the answer we have been waiting for. Noodles are symbols of good luck. Eating them during holidays and birthdays symbolizes a long and healthy life. That's why my family always have a noodle dish every family gathering.
In a wok over high heat, pour 1 tablespoon of oil in it. Place the shrimp and garlic inside. Then stir fry until pink for about 1 minute. Remove. In the same wok over high heat, pour 1 tablespoon of oil in it, followed by the onion, shiitake mushrooms, and cabbage. Stir fry until softened for about 30 seconds. Remove. In the wok, pour about 1 tablespoon of oil in it. Return the lo mein, pan fry for about 1 minute. Return the vegetables and shrimp, then pour the sauce inside. Mix well. Lastly, add the bean sprouts and scallions. Quickly stir them together. Look at that mouth-watering lo mein. The colors are bright, the aromas are inviting, and the flavors are out of this world. It will be sure to impress your friends and family this holiday season.
This is absolutely delicious. I enjoy every single bite of it. It's just so good. If you also like to make super tasty beef lo mein, check out the video right here. So good. And please comment below and let me know what is your favorite type of noodles. Subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!